is a tender process. Singing a song, made so much easier when you walk outdoors. So, on that spring Bridget's Day, when on a thread online we discussed the possibilities of singing together in the centre of Ireland, we all knew it was a for sure thing. We had Peneleapaí and Elaine and myself, Kathleen, chatting, creating an occasion called Birth a New Song at Uisneach, Breith Amhrán Úr, kindling our acorn and going from the top of Ireland. Sacred sites along the way was part of my journey with my daughter. In these pictures, look out for light. There's beautiful light images throughout our singing experience.
So there are no set words for this song. There's no set script. It's simply a process of allowing and surrendering and just letting whatever sound, whatever syllable, whatever words come through us to be voiced, to be heard. And in the process to allow a new song, a new vibration to be created. From this place of connection, let your sound come forth, the sound that is of you, of this moment. Any sound. Starting once again, connection, breath, listening, and letting the song come forth.
ATTUNE. A for Aire, T for Tine, T for Talamh, U for Uisce, N for Nua Naofa, Éireann Ériú. So we have birthed a new song. So as we headed off to our homes around the country of Ireland, we also shared words of gratitude, including how grateful we are that the families brought their children. We feel free, joy, serene, blessed, inspired, vibrant, grounded, wise, sacred. And then we were treated to stories about Ériú and her connections with Uisneach. And we shared songs. And we went to our homes where we continue now to renew our connection with the land. With every walk we make outdoors. We renewed our connection with the lovely sounding Irish language, Breith Amhrán Úr. So keep in touch by connecting and singing yourself. And keep in touch by checking out Singing the Land. Ooh.